Hi, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also press the bell button so that you never miss any update from me. Also do not forget to like, comment and share with your friends.
All set. Now we are going to the event. Namaskar, namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel Bewidshree and I'm SHYAMASREE. So today I'm going to a place where there will be 40 around stalls, food stalls and handicrafts and everything. So we are going there. So I thought of taking you people and showing little bit how it is, how everything is here, how they arrange things in Indian things in abroad. So let me just, okay, it's windy but then it's sunny also, and I'll show you while we walk the beautiful place over here. So that is our apartment where we stay. I'll show you the place. That's a church over here. This is really beautiful. Like in summer it will be more beautiful. It's really good to have some Indian events around. We feel like home when it is like some Indian events are there. So kind of we don't want to miss any of the events. If it is nearby to our place, we try to go there just to enjoy and feel like India. We are lucky that the Mela which is going to happen, that is close to our apartment. So that's really nice. So we don't have to spend much. It's a walking distance from our home. Wait, I'll show you the closer view of the church.
And of course a small photo shoot. The place is really beautiful and I could not resist, and I asked Ivji to click some pictures and he did a really good job.
And we have reached. So that's the place.
The place is really crowded. I don't think I can vlog. I don't know whether you people can hear me or not, but I think I will be attaching some pictures because it's impossible to vlog here.
Baba, chul full ude jaচ্ছে. Oh, it's too windy. We are done with the Indian Mela. It was nice. Oh, so we are also taking away some. The Bengali food we are taking away. We thought we'll have it at home, and we had chaat and everything. as you have seen in the pictures. Did you just see? Oh my god! Bike stands right in the middle of the main road. It was too fast. So anyways, so now we are heading back to our home sweet home, and it's very cold, all cloudy and all. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next Tuesday with another video. Till then, stay happy, stay well, and don't forget the 3 L's of my life: live and let live, love and share the love, and love make others love. Bye and take care.